Hi everyone, and welcome to 8 a.m. Tarot. This is a tarot reading for today. I hope you're well. My name is Gemstone, and I'll be doing your reading. How are you this morning? Did you get a moment to reflect? Oh, wow. So the moon is, or was in Scorpio. We just experienced a Scorpio full moon. It's like, did you get a time to reflect? Some people have a change of heart. Literally a change of heart. Others are seeing things. Yeah, no, I'm getting the energy of there's a change in perspective. And this change of perspective is opening your heart and showing you the abundance that's inside, the nourishment. Let's take a look at the day. Let's take a look at what you need to know today for those tuning in. What needs to be known today? 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 We have the Six of Pentacles. What needs to be known today? Okay, so let's look at it. Okay, so we have the Queen of Cups as well. What needs to be known today? I'm feeling balance. A sense of balance. This card shows the energy of giving and receiving. There are pentacles at the top, and then there are coins being given here, along with the justice, balance. If you're in need, you will receive. And if you have anything to give today, someone is in need of receiving it. The very positioning is balanced. So although it may seem like hierarchy, it is giving me the essence of supply and demand. I have, you want. Let's exchange. Paired with the Queen of Cups. See, this energy just gives me such determination, such devoted focus, devotion. And the blend of earth and water. But her focus almost feels so focused that receiving may not be something that she can feel, like the feeling of her being given to. She may not feel that energy around her. And it also feels grief-ridden, like she's sad and mourning something. I don't get a happy feeling with the Queen of Cups today. But they both look in the same direction. So what I'm feeling right now is if you are in isolation and if you are kind of living in a selfish state, selfish is judging, so self-full, like you're focused on yourself, someone may be in need of your energy, like in desperate need of the love that you have to give. And you giving that love will awaken that very thing that you want, because essentially it feels like love is what the Queen of Cups wants. And she's trying to get it out of this inanimate object is what I'm picking up in this moment. But there's someone that's literally in the same position that could be benefited by your energy or by the energy of the Queen of Cups. And by giving it to them, she could recognize that she had it all along. Not in here, but inside of her. That's what I'm getting. What needs to be known today? What needs to be known today? Also, in my meditation this morning, this may be for a very small few, It was that the noise is not in the way. If you are operating right now and you feel like things are getting in the way, you keep constantly experiencing challenges, the challenges are not in the way. You need them. You need them, and I feel that you can use them to your advantage. What needs to be known today? What needs to be known today? Acceptance. I'm also getting a lack of acceptance with this Queen of Cups this morning. It's like she is not accepting reality, and therefore it's not showing her the reality. Her eyes are closed to the reality. She's not accepting it. So she's just stuck in her watery space, like just stuck in her feelings. So for those that are struggling to accept something, just accept it. Just accept it. And I say that I recognize that the just can come off judgmental, but it's just accept it is how I meant it. It needs to be known today. Oh, what needs to be known today? Anything else? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So, also this energy. Okay. So, the Ten of Cups came out, and with the Knight of Pentacles. And when I saw this by itself, it was like, oh, okay. So there's this sense of abundance outside, like outward abundance. And it being given, opportunities are open, like opportunities are available, opening yourself to it. And I feel that it strongly involves opening your heart. Opening your heart will open yourself to, it's just all these pentacles, even at the bottom of the deck. We have the Seven of Pentacles too. I'm going to just put it this way. Opening your heart will open opportunities. And it's like her back, like their backs are towards each other. This is literally what's in the flow, like in the way of flow. And it's interesting because water shows affluence, and affluence means just the flow of water, and it's in the way. So if you are able, the whole picture, there is a delicate balance on this planet. There's a delicate balance in our experience. It is giving and receiving, negative and positive, feminine and masculine. Something emotional is interfering with that balance. And this unbalance is interfering with other areas of your life, but it may not be obvious. But maybe now I'm saying this, I just felt resonance. Maybe now, as I'm saying this, it will begin to make sense for why other aspects of your life are not necessarily panning out in the way that you wanted to. It's because you're holding on to this emotional space, this energy, to the point where you're surrounded by it. So you're very powerful. You're able to hold on to that energy. But what it's doing is it's disrupting the flow that you're looking for. The very thing that you think that you shouldn't do, which is go out into the world, is exactly what you would benefit from greatly. Giving your energy to somebody else. Those that are in need of your energy, because you too are in need of your energy. On the contrast, so what's happening behind you, what's happening while you're in this cocoon-like state is opportunities are available. Opportunities for abundance are available. There is a sense of patience because these two energies, the Knight of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles is more of a slower, well, the Knight of Pentacles on its own is a slow moving energy. It's strategic, it is purposeful, and it takes its time. With the Seven of Pentacles, the energy, you can look at it like, am I anxiously, like, am I waiting for no reason? Like, am I stalling, or is this patience? I'm getting more of a patient vibe. Yeah, I'm getting more of a patient vibe. that is needed, but the person is impatient and they're beginning to feel down. They're beginning to feel as though, shoot, like they're beginning to feel, I was gonna speak in that way, but I'm gonna go back to explaining the feeling. They're beginning to wonder if what they invested their time and energy into is going to be worth it. And with the guru at the bottom, oh my goodness, like we can just, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop right here. So you're beginning to wonder if this is going to be worth it. For the guru, this feels very whole. I'm getting the sense of wholeness. This is the Taurus card during Taurus season. I'm feeling the sense of wholeness. When I say that, it's the mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional all coming together in a spirituality. Spirituality to me is just life being lived. It is your existence. It is everything. It's intrinsic. You can't extract it from anything. So if I were to see it, if I were to explain it, it's like spirituality is on one end, and on the other end, weighing at the same amount is the emotions, mental, and physical state. And it's like an equation. Spirituality equals emotions, mental, the emotions, the thoughts, and physicality of life. Anyway, I say that to say that looking at things from a holistic perspective instead of this unbalanced perspective can let you see this moment as a time for you to be with yourself. And once it's time to go, you will definitely know. But I can tell that you get into your mind. And here it's like that same Queen of Cups energy. Like you either move from this watery space where you're in your feelings, or you're in your mind with the water. It's like you just get taken right out. And then your thoughts tell you negative, doubtful, low vibrational things. And they make you deny the reality that is actually around you, that I feel you can feel to some degree. It's just not at the tip of your focus, that you're surrounded by opportunity. And in the sense, Queen, you could be the one that's receiving. You could be the one that is receiving. But instead, at this time, it's like this heavy focus on maybe all the things that you lack, a heavy emotional space in all right? So opening your heart will open you to the reality that surrounds you. Right now, there's a sense of denial and a sense of very stubborn energy, which shows how powerful you are. And if that energy was directed towards you going after what it is that you want, which I can feel with all this Pentacle energy, is some form of outward abundance, you could achieve it. You could achieve it. I'm going to leave that here. I'm going to leave that. I feel almost empty. So what else needs to come out? The sense of balancing your emotions and the external world. So a way that you could do that is by exercising. A way that you could do that is by stretching. It gets you to connect with your body, but it also gets you to connect with how you feel in your body, like the feeling. So it's the water and earth energies combined. I'm going to leave this here. This is 8 a.m. Tarot. Comment down below if this resonates. Just hair on my desk. Comment down below if this resonates. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, please give it a like. I will see you next time. Take care.